In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Teams account for your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to download and install Microsoft Teams either on your laptop or your desktop is pretty simple. Just open any browser. For this case, I'll use Google Chrome browser. From here, just search for Microsoft Teams like that. And then you will be taken to the official Microsoft website, that is Microsoft Teams here. Click on this first result. And now you'll be redirected to this page where you can download your Microsoft Teams, the AI-powered platform for work. To get it, now click on download here and you'll be taken to the final page where you can download specifically Microsoft Teams for Windows. Now click on download and now this will begin the download process immediately, and as you can see, it is done here. So if you click on this folder to access the download folder, and mostly this is under downloads, so you can see it is here. Now it's time to run the setup and install Microsoft Teams on our computer. To do this, just double click on this Microsoft Teams setup here to run the installer. So this will launch the installer to download all the files needed for Microsoft Teams. Now, once it's done downloading, you can now sign in with your email account or with the Microsoft account and continue. So this program, as you can see, it is installed, but sometimes you might be missing the shortcut icon on your desktop. If you wish to have a shortcut icon on your desktop, then just go to Start menu and you can see we have your Microsoft Teams here. From here, you can pin this Microsoft Teams on your taskbar. So I'll right click on it and then pin it on the taskbar so that each and every time I wish to use it, it will be right here on the taskbar. So that's how you can install Microsoft Teams program or app on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.